Hello, Izuna, I'm just coming back.
How did it go?
The custom officer said that there is nothing him or anyone can do about it.
Not even bribe?
There is no room for that.
I mean, we can make them an offer. I mean...
Just give them some time and see how it goes.
What should I do?
Adele, please go to the kitchen and dish me food. I'm very hungry.
Okay.
I'm starving.
Okay, Mama. Do you want to be
But Mama, can't you get? Is this what Isioma will be doing every day in this house? She will leave her house, go on and get Chinaza. Oh, business get Chinaza.
Eh? Always Sophia CI. What do you mean by that? Look, Chinaza is her best friend. Moreover, Chinaza is not well. She's blind. She has to help her from time to time. So, Ogana,
Mama. So, I should kill myself because you know my best friend. Mama, me too, I have a best friend. She shouldn't be leaving the house like that. As we are going to the farm, she should have come with us to the farm.
Yes, Mama, what Anna is saying is the truth though. Isioma doesn't do anything in this house anymore. All she knows how to do is...
come on, give me back here. Now you go. Come on, sit back. Come for one of you. Come on, man, you know. Isioma was your wound. Okay, who let us go? Come on, to my way.
Take meat.
Thank you.
Are you sure you're okay? Alright, I have to start going. But meanwhile, let me take you inside.
Please, don't stay long.
I won't stay long.
I can't stay alone.
No problem, I'll just see my people and I'll come back.
Come back.
I won't.
I can feel your presence. Who are you?
China Zama Bere. I am Ichie Dikeh.
What is it? What do you want from me?
You even know what I want from you. Huh? Even at this point of your blindness, I still want to marry you. I am the only man who can help you. I will restore your sight. Accept my proposal and leave the stress.
Ichioka Dikeh, I don't want to insult you. I have told you that I will not marry you. Not even with my blindness. I will not marry you. Now leave me alone.
Azam. I don't know why such a beautiful girl like you want to waste away your life. Huh? Because of your stubbornness. Now come, let me tell you. There are many men in this village, but the only man who can restore your sight is me, Ichie Dikeh. Huh? Or does that not mean anything to you?
Even on my death, I'd rather die than accept your devilish proposal. Now, leave my house. I will shout for leave my house now!
It's okay. I will leave. Huh? But think about it, huh? Think about it. I will be waiting.
Even man, after getting me blind, you want to marry me as your slave. God will punish you. God will punish you. My God will punish you and your evil plots. Get out of my house! Get out.
Naza, it's not getting me. Hey! God saved that fool. God saved him that I didn't meet him here. If not, I would have given him the insult of his life. On Apwala.
So even in your condition, he still wants to marry you?
In Anokwa.
That's what he said though. That is what the old fool said.
You people cannot believe me that Dikeh and Emily planned it. Yes! They made you blind. A word of advice for you. Don't collect anything from him. Even at the point of death.
He said he will restore my sight.
Is it not obvious? He made you blind. Don't accept anything. I'm serious. At the point don't collect anything from him. He did it on purpose. So what did you tell him?
I told him to leave me alone. But he said I should think about it and get back to him.
Naza, there's nothing to think about, Naza. There is absolutely nothing to think about. Your no must remain no. In our no. Yes. Nothing to think about though. Can you imagine? That old fool. Here. Because let's go and sit down. Can you imagine? He will restore your sight so that you will not agree. He will come, you will not marry him. But he will restore your sight. He's an evil man. He planned it so that he will marry you.
Chinaza should just accept Dikeh and get her side back. It's that simple.
It's your man seem to be her friend. At least she should listen to her.
I think I know what to do. I'm going to talk to her. I mean, she is blind. She has no option. She has to marry the guy.
Talk to her. Talk to her very well. Because, yes, Dikeh might look dangerous, but the guy is in love. Can't you see? In a situation, she's blind. She better just accept now.
My dear, the most annoying part is that even Isioma advising her wrongly can't wait to jump on such an opportunity. I mean, you can't be on two wrong sides at the same time. You can't be foolish and blind.
But seriously, I don't understand it. How can you be blind and you won't say any more that tonight? Babe, I don't feel so. What for this?
You know, I don't even understand this girl.
I'll be blind. I don't see who for mine.
At all.
Babe, I don't know.
I'm carry last.
That girl is my problem now. I wish I can just kill off that girl.
But you have the power to do that.
Kill that girl with that Isioma girl with my bare hands.
What is your next plan?
Well, there is still hope. One of our friends says she can make it work. I think she will change her mind. I'm sure she will change her mind. I'm sure of that. But that girl will suffer. Isioma will suffer.
Why is it that you only fight with women, not men? I believe you need to treat them like people they are.
Let me go and rest.
It's okay. Are you okay?
When the going is good, when the going is tough,
Chinaza, we are your friends. And if getting married to Ichie was a wrong decision, we will not be asking you to do that. Let me just tell you the truth. Isioma that is convincing you not to marry him will jump on this opportunity if she was in your shoes.
Did you say jump? She will even force him to marry her. Huh? Open your eyes, oh. This your eye. Open it. You see that Isioma? That girl is a bad girl. Both of you are the best friends that I have. And I can't wish you bad. My dear, this girl wants to get married before you. That's what she wants to do. Don't let her achieve that.
I'm confused. Are you sure he loves me? Or did he pay you to talk to me?
What? Did you just say that to us? We're your good friends. We cannot deceive you.
So somebody will not pay me to talk to you. I don't understand. Why? I love you so much. I cannot do this to you. You know.
Ifugonian. See, let me just tell you. There are so many unmarried girls out there with few men. You're even blind. So I don't even know what a man will be looking for in you. And this Ichie is killing himself, wanting to marry you. You're here sulking.
The funniest thing is that Ichie still wants to marry you. Despite your condition, the man still wants to marry you. Every time it's your name. I don't even understand. He cannot sleep without. In fact, everything he does, he calls your name.
Why are you two doing this to me? Why?
What is this? What is this? Chinaza, see, I'm tired. I can't. Why are you crying now? Are we not trying to just help you? See, me, I'm tired. I'm not even going to talk about this again. You know what? Do what you want to do. IJ, Alawagum.
Are you really going?
You're even crying. Someone wants to marry you.
You see what you have caused? You see what you have caused? You that is sitting down here. You know I love you more than her. You know. It's only you that is my best friend. You know. My dear, you better open your eyes and see very well. This is your man now that is shacking you. And let her continue to be shacking you now. But if I get up and I leave this place, I'm not coming back here again.
Ijoma, don't blame me.
No.
Huh? Okay, I'll think about it.
What are you thinking about? Say it here now. You are thinking. What do you want to think? You don't have time. There's no time to think. Say it now.
Okay. I'll marry him. But give me some time, okay? Understand me.
It's okay. I'll talk to him, but you don't have any time. Just think about it. It's okay now. Stop crying. It's okay.
Bianna, are you telling me that the government is not doing anything about it?
Unfortunate situation.
Oh, Mama, you've seen it. You've seen the same thing I told you the other day. The government, Fana throw away. They are looking for a way to soften the Igbo.
I don't know about the greatest providers.
Thank you. Mama, what of my wife?
She's cooking.
I can't wait to eat her food.
Yeah, easy your mouth. Butenu ni wako mwe onye na kai esi butenu. One.
Oh, look at you.
My delicious food is ready.
God.
What is it?
Oh my goodness! Can you smell it?
I can't smell anything.
Oh my goodness! Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Oh my goodness! Oh my! Isoma, don't tell me this awful smell is coming from you. I can't stand it.
Is this a joke? How can you tell?
No, come.
How can you tell me that I'm smelling? Stop it.
Did you fall into the picture?
Oh, Mama! What is wrong with everyone? How can you ask me that kind of question? How can I fall into the pit toilet?
Oh my God! No, I can't stand it.
Oh, Jesus! What is going on here? What is happening?
You come.
What check? Am I smelling? Am I smelling? Am I? They're running away. What is wrong with everybody? Mama, what is wrong? What is wrong? I don't know.
What's that off, ma?
The one say, can figure you.
She's smelling now. Kunibu Oko.
Give him a back, we go believe him. Take his man, come on.
Serious.
Hey! I think you blow China. Tell me you're still like this. Maybe you should come and clean up. Don't have your bag.
Mama, it was not me back. Leave me alone, Mama. Everyone should just leave me alone. Are you the one now reminding me to go take my bag? Leave me alone. Just leave me alone.
No, but I'm just trying to make it better. I could see if solution will work.
It's when I start smelling me, so I start smelling. It's when. Get more video. It's a get war. Oh, hey. Mama, you're even covering your nose. You're covering your nose. Hey! Tonight you wanted this to me.
Whoever did this to my daughter can never see good.
Please, I will marry you. But just give me some time to make up my mind.
Hey, now you are talking. Now you are talking.
Yeah, look, I promise you, the day I'm going to pay your bride price, that day you regain your sight. I promise you.
Serious?
Yes, yes. You don't know what you have done now by accepting my proposal. Huh? I will make you untouchable among all the girls in this village and beyond. And in fact, you can take all the time you want and you need.
Thank you, Chie.
No, I'm the one to say thank you. From today on, your life will not be the same. Huh?
Thank you.
Chinaza. Hey.
Ichi, how did it go?
My dream has finally come true. She has agreed to marry me.
I told you.
How did you do it?
You know she's my friend now. I told her so many things. I told her you're caring, you're nice, you're loving. You're going to take care of her. Good things.
But there's a problem there. You know I don't know how to take care of a girl. How much more what to do to make her happy?
Forget about that. You know what to do now. Just find me a small thing. I'll teach you all those things. Those are small things.
Now you are jealous, eh?
I'm not jealous. I'm not jealous. Just...
Anyway, I don't know what I would have done if I didn't have you. Okay, just name your price and I'll pay you.
Okay, but I'll think about it. I'll tell you later.
See how tall I am now.
I won't come with you.
Okay.
Go that way.
All right.
When the going is good, on a safafa. When the going is tough, on a dequafama. What is happening?
What have I done? Am I right by accepting him? Am I facing punishment for what I knew nothing about? How am I sure that he's going to restore my sight? God, take my life. I don't want to make any mistake. I want to join my parents. Please help me.
How, Kwano?
Please take me to late Ichie Ejike's compound. Isoma's house.
Okay. Isoma, the one that is smelling, have you? No problem. See, I will take you there. I will take you there. But I want you to give me one assurance. Hope I won't perceive anything there because she's smelling.
No.
Okay, no problem. Let's go.
Thank you.
I should hold you.
Yes, okay.
Okay, like this. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, no, yeah. We're in the compound now. You can call her name. Call anybody. They will hear you. I want to go now. Do you know why? You know you promised me something. You promised me that I won't perceive anything, right? So you can call their name. You can go straight. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
You know?
Isioma. 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 Nanye. Isama, I hate what happened.
As I am finished, the enemies have killed my joy.
The is a liar. Oh God, why?
Mas, I cannot stand the shame. No, I cannot stand the shame. I want to die.
No, please.
I cannot stand the shame. I want to die.
No.
I cannot stand this shit. No! I cannot stand it. I want to die. I cannot stand this shit. I cannot stand this shit. I cannot stand it. No! I cannot stand this shit. I want to die. I cannot stand this shit. I cannot stand this shit.
Even as I speak with you now, I don't know what to do.
God will punish that man. God will punish him because I know he's the one behind all these things we are passing through.
I thought as much. I told him to give me some time.
Naza,
Yes.
are you truly my friend?
Yes.
Please, please don't accept that man. That man is evil. Forget what Ijoma and Oluchi told you. I believe they are working hand in hand. I believe they know what is going on. Please, my dear friend, don't accept him. Please, turn him down. Please.
You see, my house is no longer safe for me. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. I can talk to my mother. You can stay here with us.
Huh?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What are friends for?
Thank you.
My friendship.
Where are you going to now?
They have business to do. It's Iche. Iche loves Naza so much. In fact, this is just a token of what he wants me to do. He bought all these things for her. What's making you laugh now?
Wait, you mean you were taking all of this to Chinaza's house to profess Iche's love?
My dear, I have been paid. I need to do my job. I'm telling you.
So you're now like the middle woman, professor.
He promised me money. I have a list of things that I should buy, and I must buy them.
Oh my God. Hey! Anyway, that's not even why I stopped you. I was on my way to your house now. Have you heard? Heard what? Isioma and Izuna are no more dating.
Like, how?
That is not all. If you see Isioma smells. Shishi. Jesus. Shika. Now Ozu. Dead cop.
I don't believe this. You know me, I believe everything you say, but this one.
Are you trying to insult me? What are you trying to say? Wait, I left everything I was doing at home just to come and give you information. And you're saying I'm lying?
No, I'm not saying you're lying. It's just that the thing is...
Have I ever given you any fake information?
Oh.
Hello, Chi. When did you come back?
A few hours. Actually, I was going somewhere before, so I'll talk to you later. See you later. If we should discuss, discuss.
Business woman.
Bye-bye. I never talk my business matter with you.
Business woman, I hear you.
This is serious, oh. I thought it was just a rumor.
We have done everything, but to no avail. We don't know what else to do.
Chinaza! Chi! Chinaza! 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 Chi! Chi! Chinaza! 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 Chinaza!
Monya, bring the food.
Oluchi! Oluchi! Oluchi, hey! Oluchi, come, there's trouble. There's trouble. It's Naza. It's Naza now. Do you know for the past 3 days now, I've not seen that girl.
So because you have not seen Naza, that's why you're shouting trouble everywhere. Why do you like getting yourself upset and worked up over nothing? It's very possible that Naza has gone to a maternal home. Ibeba now shout to them trouble. What is it?
No, now, it's not possible. She can't go there without me. Besides, she can't even go there without telling me.
Okay, Ngwano, personal assistant to Naza. Go to Isioma and ask her. I'm sure she must have told her something before she left.
Abi?
Onya.
I think so.
Okay, you're just leaving like that. Okay. Cody.
Isioma. Isioma.
Mama. What is it? How may I help you?
Is Chinaza here?
No. Is she missing? On F.
No, it's just that we've not seen her for the...
Look at me, if you want to talk to me, it was a pirugi. Don't squeeze in your face. You know, what is it?
No,
just that we have not seen her for the past 3 days.
Jaren! She's not here. She is not here. I said, you come on, go get away from here. I'm not from peace. You free? Mary here.
Why did you bother coming to my house?
Paul Monya, go to bread. Go to
Who was that? Overheard voices. Who else if not Ijoma? She came looking for you. And what did you tell her? I told her that I did not see you. Listen, Naza. I think she's working on that evil man's instruction. But not to worry. I am out for them in this village. I will not give them peace. Don't worry yourself. When you know what this is. Thank you.
Do you want anything? What do you need anything? Are you sure?
Am I issue?
Yes.
Oh. Isama. should stop smelling.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, check me very well. See, go deliver my armpit. Smell. Are you sure?
Not anymore. It has stopped.
Huh?
Yes. Summer. Huh?
It has stopped.
Huh? Yes.
No, you mean I'm not smelling again? Hey! I'm not smelling.
Stop smelling. Yes.
Huh? Hey! Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure it won't come back again? Back?
No, it will come. Reject it.
Reject it.
Hey, reject it. Hey,
reject it.
Forbid it will come back again. Reject it.
You're not smelling
You're not smelling again. I'm happy.
God, I thank you. God, I thank you. God, I thank you.
Hey, thank you.
I'm so grateful.
I'm happy for you. So finally.
Finally. I wasn't girlfriend, mother name.
Thank you.
Wow. Bia. Oh, Mama. You're done eating. Yes, so. I see. Feel good. You really feel. Have you given your sister and her friend food?
Yes, Mama.
One. I'll just sit out and get you. Sorry. Get me water to drink because fast. Also,
Ojeze, that's not it, isn't it? Nepo cake at and I talk about my Nanya. Tonya, name me and wisdom. That's the wisdom.
Greetings, Uche.
Greetings, my daughter.
What brings you to my house?
Please, I want to see you. Yes, sir. Uche, I've not seen Chinaza for the past 4 days now. And nobody seems to know her whereabouts. I don't know what to do.
Have you asked Isioma and Oluchi?
Yes, I have. They don't seem to know her whereabouts.
That's not possible. But she's blind. Or can she see now? I must get to the root of this matter. Anyway, you can go now, huh? I'll see you later.
Okay, sir.
My daughter, bye-bye. What's going on?
She has not seen Chinaza for 4 days now.
Dikeh. I told you that girl in question is not going to accept your proposal. Now tell me, how can a grown-up girl like her be missing in this village, despite being blind? Don't you think possibly she must have run away just to avoid you?
When the going is good, on a suffer. When the going is tough, on a dequafama.
Anyway, let's.
I got a long call.
It is that serious. They even want to bring in the youth. And you know what that means now.
You should come. I'll be here waiting for them.
Chakwalo, Isioma, are you sure you don't know anything about it? Because you're the last person seen with her.
Bianzube, it's like they've sent you. Ezigo Fayokwea. Let me tell you, Naza is a grown-up daughter of this land. Even if I know where she is, I'm not going to tell anybody. Isioma is a big fat liar, and I will say it to her face. She cannot claim not to know Zube's whereabouts. I mean, they were last seen together. She can't be claiming all of that now.
Not only that, both of us knows that girl cannot leave this village without her consent. You know, right?
I'm not doubting both of you. But the way you're going about all this is wrong. Naza, I know, cannot be missing in this village of Umunze.
Okay, I hear you. Madam, tell her. Tell her! Tell her, because by the time the youth of Umunze goes to that house cannot contain her. It won't contain her.
It hasn't gotten to that.
It has gotten to this.
Anyway, I'll go and tell her.
It has gotten up to that, oh, even more than that. For your information, I really hope that you're not caught up in this plan. I really hope that you're not in this with Isioma, because if you are, hey, if you are, yeah, me and my friend will teach you a lesson. Ndi moga wagi ihoku jinti okene. We don't talk too much, we act. AJ, let's go. We don't need to talk too much.
Clap like this until they do.
We don't make noise, we don't talk too much.
No now. Babe, I dey vex. I for tell her this, I dey vex. Which kind of rubbish be this now?
How that dirty smelling thing is my being waiting with that her useless name come in between my 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira, who can the case I go give me? Me! I must collect that money.
Ijoma.
I must collect that money.
IJ. Utue, calm down. Ogini.
I have a plan. Yes. How fast can this be now?
Chillax, eh? Why are you feeling so hot? Don't worry.
Babe, no time.
No time. I'll take care of
that girl.
Don't you trust me again?
Mama, no.
You Gemma, how are you? Oluchi, take this inside the kitchen and prepare the egg. I'll cook soup.
This is an insult. In fact, this is the insult of the highest order. I cannot take this anymore.
Dikeh, please calm down. The woman in question is your late brother's wife. Her children are your children. Killing her and her children will not do you any good.
Ozaka, quiet. I said, shut up if you don't know what to say. You keep your mouth shut!
I should shut up?
Yes.
What is it I have said you are not telling me to shut up?
Everything you've said here is wrong. Look at you, Ozaka. You claim that Dikeh is your friend and you cannot even provide a solution to his problem. Dikeh, if Ozaka does not live here now, I will leave.
Miri!
Ozaka, leave my house.
Dikeh, are you telling me to leave your house?
I said leave my house.
You've heard him right. Leave!
Dikeh.
I said leave my house. In fact, I'll bulldoze you out of my house now. This is my house. Leave my house.
Dikeh, no problem. I will leave your house. But let me warn you. Do not allow the devil to mislead you. Whoever advised you to kill your late brother's wife and her children is not a good friend.
Leave my house.
I've warned you.
Leave my house.
Leave, no problem. I will leave.
Leave.
My friend, sit down. Don't mind that fool. Don't mind him. Look at it. He called me devil. Soon, I will show you what the devil can do. Okarike. It's you, Okarike. Uzoka. I will soon open his page in this village.
Yes. Yes.
Ugochi. You have to be very careful with
You say you don't want, it's so generous.
No,
you don't want chair.
No.
You don't want cola.
It is very
Let me get you cola now.
Like I said before, I want you to be very careful with Dikeh. Yes, Dikeh, your husband brother.
My little husband.
Oh yes. All of us in this village
Why?
All of us in this village know how your husband died mysteriously. And Dikeh, your husband brother, promised us, we the elders in council, that he will find out those that killed your husband.
That's true.
And all till now he has done nothing. Oh yes. Now it is very clear to me that it is Ukadike that killed your husband.
Hey!
And not only that, as we speak, Ukadike and Miri are discussing how they will kill you and your children.
Hey! Chibo, what have we done to him now?
I don't know. That is why I came to inform you. If I leave here, I am going straight to the Igwe's palace to inform him so that he can bring Ukadike and Miri to justice so that they will pay for the offense they have committed. I've told you.
What to do? Hey! Chimebomo. Hey! Isi! Isioma!
The heart of men, highly desperate, be mad at the when the going is good, on a suffer. When the going is tough, on a dequafama. But it's happening well. We are waiting on you.
Uzoka. Uzoka! Uzoka, the devil you know is more dangerous than you thought. You called me a devil. Now, I will show you that I am more dangerous than the devil you called. It is a shocking news, and I wouldn't have believed it. As it is now, tell me, who are we to blame God? They have to take heart. God knows why, and He is the giver of life. What we, the living, should do now is to pray for His soul. We have to tell them to take heart.
Nebiko, take it easy. Sorry. Look at your children. Please. Stop crying.
They have killed my husband. They have finished me. They have killed my husband.
Hey!
They have killed my husband.
Stop crying.
They have killed my husband.
Where is Chinaza?
No, get it. What is it? This place look like Chinaza's house. Or do I look like I'm a security guard, bodyguard?
The earlier you provide Chinaza in this village, the better for everybody in this house.
Come on, Ukadike. Is that supposed to be a threat or what?
You can call it whatever you like. Whatever you like. If you don't provide Chinaza, you will know why I'm called Ukadike.
What will you do? What will you do that you have not done before?
Ask him.
Ogini.
When are you going to get tired of killing? Let me warn you. You, this foolish man, the next one is your family. Your entire family, you bury them the same day. Bets.
I'm warning you and your entire household. If I don't see Chinaza before sunrise, you will see, you will, in fact, that time you will know me. You will know me that time.
Where are you going to? Come back! Come back! That smell will kill you. Evil man, if what that smell, eh? The smell will kill you.
Oh, now, of course, this year where you're so nature. Unless your family key. And all is say.
So now that I've done my part, what is next?
Baby, I don't feel like you. This your Domia too sweet too. You're too sweet.
Domia? Can't get book Domia.
Your own feature.com.
Whatever. You've not answered my question. What is next?
Baby, just calm down. After I'm the youth leader. See, I will organize everything like we said. Just calm down. One more I'm working on.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Don't fail me.
I'm sure now.
I've done my own part.
Now me there in charge. As far as you give me like this.
You trust me.
Yeah, I trust
you. Know
you.
I can compensate you. I can even do better.
Hey.
I'll give you Dumia.
You give me Dumia.
Yes.
Hey! I got him shy. Baby, hey! This is your Dumia still get catch out.
I have to go first. Yes, let me go first. I don't want anybody seeing me.
Hey. No problem. Yeah, I'm just follow you small.
Don't fail me.
Baby, I'm with you. Hey! One day I know women. Mother can I go to see what because on the one side, no feature. Hey! Nothing they do. Once you just give me like this, Domoya. Domoya. I'm the youth leader. No, brother. I'm not.
Ijoma, my baby. Why is your face like this now? Brighten up. Don't you trust me again?
How far?
Job well done.
Yes, in fact, you're the best friend anybody can have. Thank you.
Wait, don't brainwash me. It's an amisi. You owe me one.
Slippers. Is it my slippers?
Hey, please. I know how much you bought these slippers. I don't want it. When I knock on your door any day, anytime, just know that you owe me and you have to pay me.
Babe, anything. Do you want this ring? What do you want? Just tell me. It is done.
I said I don't want. When I come, I'll tell you what I want.
Yes.
Stop. Let's go and prepare for tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you. Oh.
I can't believe this.
I'm the planner.
I know, right? Just call me.
Go and get here.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Just give me audio sinkete.
Ezugo nwanyị abalị ewere lodge. We just came here to find out something.
Ugochi. We are just coming from Igwe's palace. There was an allegation leveled against you and your children. Yes.
And my children.
Ow. Ugochi. Is it true that you and your children kidnapped Chinaza?
How can we? How could I have? No, now. I did not. We did not. See, you know my daughter,
goes to her house to look after her, wash her dresses. And she said that she is afraid anytime she leaves, that the place is no longer safe for her. That whether she can come to my house and stay with us, we'll take care of her here. She came, and we accepted her. If she comes to your house, won't you accept her? Will you chase her away?
That's it.
Yes, that's it.
Can we see Chinaza?
Of course, Chinaza is. Naza mwa. Chinaza. Come out. It's your mabiko pop here.
Is it true that you were kidnapped?
Kidnapped?
Yeah.
No! Who said I was kidnapped?
Chinaza, my dear, it's okay. Just never mind. Never Ugochi.
No.
You people should just don't worry about this. We just came down here to find out the truth. And we have seen how it is. Don't worry.
Isioma, they said that you were sick.
Yes, Nai, but I'm better now.
Okay. Oh, thank God.
Please, Nai, don't listen to anyone. I am here because I want to be here. Isioma and her family are very good to me, so I need them around me. My late father's house is no longer safe for me. Nai.
Ugochi. Dikeh and Miri reported this case earlier today in the palace. So as friends of your late husband and of this family, we just came to let you be aware of what they are planning. Dikeh is planning to come here tomorrow with the youth to fight everybody here and even to burn down this house.
Ugochi, you people should not worry. Tomorrow morning we will be here waiting for them.
Thank you.
We know what is going on, but we'll be here for them. Let them come. We are waiting.
Well, Nai, like, burn this house. Burn my father's house.
Don't worry, my
And
let them come.
we're waiting for them. Okay, those fools. Hajalobia. We'll be waiting for them.
Don't worry.
Also burn this house.
Let's go. It's already night.
But Mama, let me ask you, what would these people gain by lying? Burn my father's house. What would these people gain by lying?
I don't know.
Please lying.
I am tired. Look, let this man and his cohorts leave my family alone. Let them leave us alone. No. Father Guanmun and Dimbaka. Isi, I called you out here so that your friend does not hear me. Biko, this our issue is becoming something else. It's taking another dimension. Do you think we can take it? Can you take it?
Mama, is that why you called me out this night?
Yes, now.
Mama, you don't have any problem. Go and sleep. Okay, in Alarola, I am prepared. If they want war, never war.
What war?
If they want war, I will give them war. I am over prepared. Don't worry, don't bother yourself.
All I'm saying is that it is getting out of hand. When you go in, why don't you sleep over it? Ponder over it. I don't know. It's becoming. I don't know. I just don't know. Please,
Mama. Like I said before, Ina Larola. Oh yeah, go. Leave me and those evil men. I will handle them. I will handle them. Just leave them for me. And you know what this is?
No, I don't have. I know why I'm saying.
Mama, don't worry yourself. I'm going to sleep. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. Ina Larola.
But your window. But you pull down.
Youth of Umunze, she must tell us what happened to my late brother and Chinaza's disappearance. Yes.
Dikeh.
Yes.
Dikeh. Dikeh, how many times did I call you? Dikeh, take you a very good time. Stop persecuting this woman and her family. We all know she is innocent. Why are you doing all this? Since your late brother's wife, for Christ's sake.
Ugochi and her family must be banished from this land. Use of Umunze. Decisions are not made by the youth.
Yes.
If all of you here stand here because of Chinaza, then I will tell you that you are being misled. Yes.
It's okay. Who said that we are being misled? Let me tell you, we are part of this village and we know what has been going on. Chinaza, we all know, cannot be missing without any tricks. Tell Ugochi and her children to provide her, dead or alive. Otherwise, you people will face death.
Yes.
Ugochi and her children here killed Chinaza just to inherit the late father's property. You people should provide Chinaza's corpse. Otherwise, you will face the moya here. I'm sure.
Let's hey, stop. What are you doing? If any of you try to touch my mother or anyone here, I swear if I don't cut off Anna, take it easy. Anna, Ineko.
Use of our land. Look at him. As exposed as you people are and enlightened, you allow this evil man, this idiot, with his friend, I concur friend. Where is he now? Especially you. Get and Linda. You, even Emeka, you will say, yes, you. It's him, It's him, as enlightened as you are, you believe this man that everybody in this village know that is evil, that is an evil man. I'm surprised at you. I'm sorry for you.
Emeka has a bright future.
Nadia. Come and stay. Easy. It's your mouth. Bien one. Easy.
Hey. Use of Umunze. You now see why I said that you are being misled. This is Chinaza, flesh and blood.
Yes.
And Isioma no longer smells. Yes. She is fresh. Have you seen it?
Yeah, original one.
Emeka, is this why you called us here?
Emeka, you told us that Isioma and her family killed Chinaza, and now here is Chinaza. Emeka, why? Why, Emeka? Why?
My fellow youths of Umunze, please don't blame Emeka, the youth leader. Dikeh here is the one behind all this.
Well, if I come, where is he?
Just because I refuse to marry him. He wants to marry me so that he can take all the last my late parents left for me. And he's the one behind all the evil in this land. The fact that he made me blind doesn't mean I should be submissive to all his evil plots. Look at Dikeh. I want to tell you something before all these elders and the youths of this Umunze. You killed my late parents.
Yes.
You also killed your late brother.
I killed my husband. He killed my husband.
You can't even kill me.
He killed your father. Don't you know?
I want to tell you something. I will not marry you. Not even in my death.
Yes.
I will not marry you.
Youths of Umunze, this is not the Chinaza I know. This one here is mad. Tie her up before she spreads her madness.
It's you and your entire family that are mad. In fact, this is the end of the road for you, evil man. Youth, what are you waiting for? Tie him up! He's evil!
I told you people that something is wrong here.
This evil man is him.
Okay, yalulana sepa kananjo.
Crying will not solve this. It is now clear that Dikeh is behind our sickness. But one thing I know, this God we serve will never let him go unpunished.
Naza, I just want to die. The disgrace and embarrassment is too much for me to bear.
We cannot give up now. If we do, that means Dikeh will win. Look at myself. I was once seeing, but now I am blind. Does that mean I should go and kill myself? No. The future is more brighter. Those are your words. Those are your words, so.
This is a slap on my face. Can you believe they insulted me? Huh? That good for nothing Isioma, she insulted me as if I'm a mate. No.
Ichia Okadike, the moment you told me that you are going to fight the battle on your own way, I knew it's going to be like this. Anyway, it is not too late. For you, you have all it takes to destroy them, if you so wish.
Yes.
And unless you want to allow them to go scot-free, the choice remains yours.
Well, I know I have all it takes to destroy them. But I still need something from you.
You are my friend. Voice it out and consider it done.
All right.
You've said it all. Go ahead.
Huh?
As a game, Dikeh.
Okay.
Obasifike, Achama Dikeh. You are Doji and Ebuoji. I am Buladi Ebukanube. Go and build with
So what are you going to do now?
I'm as confused as you are, my dear. I told you Nzube is on their side. I mean, I always knew.
I don't get it. Why the humiliation? Why?
I, seated with you right here, is the definition of humiliation. Do you know the price I had to pay to get Emeka to do all of that? I mean, I slept with that local tout. I gave him my body. I gave my body to Emeka. I still can't believe this. Nzube must pay. I will teach you a lesson. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in your entire life. My name is Oluchi, but I will tell you that was the wrong name given to me. Betty.
It's okay.
Bet.
It's okay now.
Just bet.
Is that why you want to cry? If you cry, I will cry. Don't cry.
That guy slept with me in an uncompleted building. And he was calling it Dumia.
It's okay.
Dumia.
It's okay now.
Anyanwụ ụtụtụ na ọjị welu. Ogugu na agị ọjị welu. Alụsị na ọjị welu. Ogugu ta ọjị. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ na enu ọjị o. Ndị oji ana na enu nzu o. Nke a ga-eri ya bịa, nke ga-eri anyị ya gbafuo oke ụkpaka. Enye unu mmanya nụ.
Now I'm going to the market.
Good, you are set. Good. But please, don't forget to get me akwojuku. I told you off.
Now akwojuku. Now akwojuku. Are you still talking about this akwojuku?
Please, don't talk it loud. You know, people were passing by. Go and get me what I told you to do.
Akwojuku. Akwojuku.
Go. Don't disturb me. Go. Let me consult my ancestors.
Today's market, I don't know whether I will see akwojuku.
You will get it. Go eat your mao.
Okay. Let me see if I can get it.
No, I know you will get it. Go. You too, Karike?
Really?
Or do I serve you drink?
No, thank you.
No, use your two hands. You see, as it is now, this is instant poisoning. When you get home, put it in a plate, mix it with red oil. Be careful on how you use it.
Yes.
And be mindful of where you keep it for safety.
All right. Thank you. I will be running, huh? Okay. I'll see you tomorrow.
The heart of men highly desperate. Obi madu de wanjono wa. When the going is good, on a safafa. When the going is tough, on a dekwa fama. Police have been igwe. We are waiting on you. Come to our rescue. Police have been igwe.
I'm listening. My wife told me that you now live with that blind girl, Chinaza. Is that true?
Well, yes, that's true. She's my very good friend.
Izuna, are you out of your mind?
How do you mean, sir?
Don't you know that girl is cursed?